Welcome to the world of blockchain, the technology that's revolutionizing the way we store and share data. Hi, today we're diving into the transformative power of blockchain technology. So, what exactly is blockchain? At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that's secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Every transaction is grouped into a block. Each block is then linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name, blockchain. But blockchain is more than just a digital ledger. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, ensuring secure and transparent transactions without the need for a central authority. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain is revolutionizing industries such as supply chain management. By providing a transparent and immutable record of transactions, companies can track products from origin to destination, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. Blockchain also enables the creation of smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts, with the terms directly written into code. They automatically enforce and execute the terms of an agreement, reducing the need for intermediaries and lowering costs. From finance and healthcare to voting systems and digital identities, blockchain is paving the way for more secure, efficient, and transparent processes across various sectors. Blockchain is more than a technology. It's a paradigm shift in how we think about trust and transparency in the digital age. Are you ready to explore the potential of blockchain? Join us on this journey and discover the endless possibilities of blockchain.